Ithi sigcwalise ngekubeketela, endurance. Ithi sigcwalise ngekuhlakanipha. Ithi sigcwalise ngokufuna wena. Sizimanda sikuthole until we find you. Yeah. We have come to the great I am. We have come to the Lord of hosts, the King of Zion, the Lily of the valleys, the Lion of the tribe of Judah. We have come. Take your place. Rule and reign. Jesus. This evening is not about vibes. This is about encountering Jesus. Your life is so valuable for you to walk out of your house to come here for vibes. Yeah. Sitakuwe, welokhethe uphila kwethu. Sitakuwe.